Hello and welcome! Today we'll explore Cloneflow, the extension that lets you migrate your existing site to Webflow in just a few clicks, making the process faster and seamless. We will get started with a site we've built using this free Tailwind CSS template we found online. Once you've installed the extension, click the extension icon to activate it. From there, click on any section to select it and then click the copy icon to copy that section to your clipboard. You can paste in Webflow using the Command V shortcut on macOS or the Control V shortcut on Windows. The content you've pasted in Webflow will be fully editable. You can change text, styles, positioning, and so on. And of course, the content comes fully mobile responsive, and you can also resize and make any necessary updates or fixes. All right, now we've seen how easy it is to migrate your site to Webflow using the Cloneflow extension. You can download the extension on the Chrome Web Store to get started. Please like and share if you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.